A quick intro to release forms. You've written a paper for a class that you're very proud of, or you've made a film or recorded an interview with someone that you would like to preserve and have saved for future researchers. That's great! A big part of the process of donating or gifting your work to an archive is stipulating how it can be used and what rights you will retain or give to the archives. This means you must sign a release form explaining the terms of your gift. Without a release form, the archives will not know whether your work must be kept under lock and key or can be shared with the world, or something in between. For instance, some forms say that an archive can only publish your work after a certain amount of time. Other forms might allow for in-person research, but state that you don't want your work posted online. The LaGuardia and Wagner Archives uses a Creative Commons license for students, which means we can use, preserve, and share your documents for research and educational purposes. But you retain the copyright to your work and can continue to use it for your own professional development. We will not sell pieces of your collection for profit, and the creator will always be credited for their work. Consent forms are very important, and without them, we cannot add your work to our collections. So be sure to submit a signed release form with your materials. You can sign it electronically or in person and give it to your professor. Thank you for your donation and for adding your voice to the historical record.